Harivom students, welcome to today's online session. Today we are going to start a new lesson that is plants increasing the number. Plants increasing the number. Topics to be covered are new plant from seed, seed germination and dispersal of a seed. Okay, we'll start one by one. Before starting, I would like to recall what we studied in the previous class. So, what are the different parts of a plant? You all know that the different parts of a plant. You all know what are the different parts of a plant? Roots, stem, flowers, buds, etc. These are all the different parts of a plant. As we know that plants give us fruits and vegetables, cereals and pulses, and also help us to reduce soil erosion. So they also help us with oxygen. Oxygen is very important for us, for all human beings, and as well as animals also. So the plants are very important to us. Life without plant does not exist. Without plant, life does not exist. So they are very useful to us. Okay, here we learn how. Here in this slide we will learn the new plant from seeds. New plant from seeds. So there are two different types of seeds which can grow into new plant. There are two different types of seeds. What are the two different types of seeds? Monocot seed and dicot seed. Monocot seed and dicot seed. See here, monocot seed means it has only one seed leaf. Monocot seed means it has only one seed leaf, and dicot seed means it has two seed leaves. Mono means one, so it has only one seed leaf. Di means two, so it has two seed leaves. Okay, so see the picture here clearly. See the picture. So here, see, this is the seed coat. This is the seed coat. Seed coat means what? Seed coat means what? The outer covering of a seed is called seed coat. The outer covering of a seed is called seed coat, and this is the baby plant. That is the baby plant, and this is the seed leaf. This is the seed leaf. So seed leaf is the food for the baby plant. Seed leaf is the food for the baby plant. Now I'll tell the examples of monocot seed. What are the examples of monocot seed? Which seeds are having one seed leaf? Rice, maize and rice, maize and wheat. Rice, maize and wheat has only one seed leaf. And coming to the dicot seed, we all know that it has two seed leaves. See the picture of the dicot seed. Same, it has the seed coat. The outer covering part of a seed is called seed coat, and it is also having the baby plant. Here this is the baby plant. These these seed leaves two seed leaves are also called as cotyledons. Are also called as cotyledons. Here the baby plant eat the cotyledon. Here the baby plant eat the cotyledon. What are the examples of this dicot seed? What are the examples of these dicot seed? Gram, peas, beans. Gram, peas and beans are the examples of the dicot seed. Now please note down that after soaking the gram seed in water for few days, you can notice its parts. So you try this at home. Now we will see about the germination of seed. See the picture here. All of you see the picture. When you sow a seed in soil, the baby plant inside the seed has two parts. Here, see the picture here. the baby plant inside the seed has two parts. One is the root system. This is the root system, and another one is the shoot system, and this is the shoot system. You all know this root system and shoot system. You all studied about this root and shoot. Okay, so these are the parts of the baby plant. Next, what is germination? What is germination? The development of a seed into seedling. The development of a seed into seedling is called germination. Now, what are the conditions for what are the conditions required for the seed to germinate? What are the conditions? Air, water, air, water and warmth. These are the three conditions required for the seed to germinate. Now, air. How the air helpful for the seed to germinate? Here see, germinating seed need air to breathe. We all need air to breathe, as well as seeds also need air to breathe, and water. The seed coat soften and help baby plant to break the seed open and comes out. It helps the seed to break, and then the baby plant will come out. Next, warmth. The cells of a seed need warmth of sunlight to become active, to become strong, to become active. The warmth is more important. Okay, please note down that germination of a seed cannot be possible without air, warmth and water. Okay, so seeds cannot grow, all seeds cannot grow into new plants. Some seeds are eaten by birds or destroyed by wind or rain, and sometimes they don't get enough water, air and warmth. So all seeds will not grow into new plant. Okay, so these are the conditions required for the seed to germinate. Next one, dispersal of a seed. Dispersal of a seed. We all know that the parent plant take water and mineral for their growth, but if all the baby plant grow near the parent plant, will they survive? No, it will not survive. Why? Because they won't get enough warmth for the plant to grow. So they come requirement of agents in the nature. So they want some agents in the nature. So the agents are, what are the agents? Wind, water, animals and explosion. These are the four agents for the seed to get dispersed. Okay, to get dispersed. What do you mean by dispersal? What do you mean by dispersal? The seed that move or scatter from one place to another place is called dispersal of a seed. What do you mean by dispersal? The seed that move from one place to another place by using these agents: wind, water, animals and explosion. By using these agents, the seed move from one place to another place. So this is called dispersal. Now coming to the next slide. Here there are some here the dispersal by wind. What are the seeds dispersed by wind? Here see this cotton seed. Cotton seed dispersed by wind, and this is the dandelion seed dispersed by wind, and hiptide seed dispersed by wind. These are the seeds will disperse by wind and also dispersed by water. What are the seeds dispersed by water? Lotus seed dispersed by water, and this is the coconut seed. Coconut seed dispersed by water. So, and again, what are the seeds dispersed by animals? Animals, see, tiger nail seed dispersed by animals because it has hooks. Tiger nail seed has hooks. See this? These are the hooks which help this seed to scatter to another place by using the agent. What is the agent? Animals. Animals are the agent for the tiger nail to disperse. And also as well as spear grass also will disperse by using the agent animal. And also the pea pod seed. Pea pod seed burst open and the seed scatter from one place to another place. See the picture here. The pea pod seed burst open and inside that the seeds are there. Are you, please look at this picture. Inside this the seeds are there. So these seeds help to scatter. These seeds will scatter from one place to another place by the animals. Okay, these are the agents of